You open the fridge and bam, an avalanche. A yogurt container takes a dive, a rogue soda can rolls out, and somewhere in the back, there's a sad forgotten bag of wilted spinach. Sound familiar? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you that with just a few simple organizers, your fridge could go from chaotic disaster to a sleek, efficient, space-saving machine? Stick around because today we're counting down the 15 best refrigerator organizers in 2025, and trust me, some of these will blow your mind. All links to the products are in the description below. And hey, make sure to watch till the end because number one is something you never knew you needed, but won't be able to live without. And remember, all links to the fridge organizers are in the description below. At the number 15 spot is the iDesign Clear Divided Produce Bin. Fruits rolling all over the place? This divided bin keeps apples, oranges, and grapes in their own little sections, so you never have to go digging for that last sad strawberry again. Plus, the built-in grooves let you stack them up, saving space like a boss. The transparent design makes it easy to spot what you need at a glance, so no more forgotten produce rotting at the bottom of your fridge. Coming in at number 14 is the Hujo 8-piece refrigerator organizer set. This is the starter pack of fridge organization. 8 sleek, clear plastic bins that fit everything from condiments to juice boxes. The best part? Handles. No more fumbling around trying to grab the ketchup from the back. Just slide it out and boom, effortless access. Made from BPA-free plastic, these bins are durable, easy to clean, and built to withstand everyday spills and messes. Number 13 is the simple houseware soda can dispenser. Have you ever tried to grab a soda, only for the whole stack to come tumbling down? This game-changing soda can dispenser keeps everything in line and even lets you grab and go without disturbing the rest. Simple, yet life-changing. It's also great for seltzer water, energy drinks, or even small cans of cold brew, keeping your fridge sleek and stress-free. Number 12 is the OXO Good Grips Fridge Undershelf Drawer. You know that awkward empty space under your fridge shelf? OXO just turned it into bonus storage. This slide-in drawer is perfect for deli meats, cheeses, or random snack packs. It's like a mini fridge within your fridge, and since it's adjustable, you can customize the height to fit different size items, making every inch of fridge space count. At number 11 is the iDesign Marge Egg Holder with Lid. Ever stacked something on top of an egg carton, only to regret it instantly? This extra sturdy egg holder has a protective lid, so you can actually stack things on top without cracking your breakfast. Holds up to 21 eggs, because nobody likes running out. It also helps protect eggs from absorbing fridge odors, keeping them fresh for longer. Coming up next at the number 10 spot is the Utopia Freeze Up Freezer Rack. Got leftovers in glass containers. This rack organizes them upright so you can actually see what's inside. No more mystery meals sitting in the back until they grow their own ecosystem. Bonus, adjustable dividers let you fit any size container. It's also perfect for meal preppers who want to keep their freezer looking as sharp as their meal planning game. Hitting the number 9 spot is the Brightroom Lazy Susan Condiment Caddy. Condiment chaos is real, but this Lazy Susan spins smoothly, so you can grab the sriracha without knocking over the mayo. Why hasn't every fridge come with this built in? Life's too short for condiment Tetris. With its high sidewalls, everything stays in place, even when you give it a quick spin. Up next at number 8 is the Utopia Rollout Fridge Caddy. Ever reach for the butter, only to knock over 3 yogurt cups? This rolling caddy glides in and out like a fridge drawer, making it effortless to grab what you need without the fridge domino effect. Its adjustable dividers let you customize the compartments to fit different size items, keeping everything neat and accessible. At number 7 is the M-Design Small Storage Bin for baby food. Parents, this one's for you. Whether it's baby food jars, formula, or snack packs, this organizer keeps everything neat so you're not rummaging through the fridge at 2 a.m. with a crying baby in your arms. We got you. It's also versatile enough to store toddler snacks, sippy cups, and even breastfeeding essentials, making it a true multitasker. At number 6, we have the stackable refrigerator drawers. Want to double your fridge space without actually buying a new fridge? These stackable drawers let you build extra storage vertically, so every inch of your fridge gets used like a Tetris master planned it. They're also great for separating different food categories, so your dairy, meats, and veggies each get their own space. Next at the number 5 spot is fridge labels. This one's shockingly simple but ridiculously effective. Ever stared at a container thinking, what was this and when did I put it here? Label it. Avoid the sniff test. Live your best organized life. With waterproof, easy to remove labels, you can update them as needed without sticky residue left behind. Coming in at the number 4 spot is the divided fridge drawer. Fruits and veggies need their own space. This divided drawer keeps your produce fresh longer by separating high-ethylene fruits from sensitive veggies. Translation: no more surprise science experiments in your crisper drawer. It also encourages healthier eating by making fresh produce more visible and easily accessible. Taking the number 3 spot is the Cambro Cam Square 6-quart food container. Ever see those square containers chefs use in restaurants? Turns out they work in your fridge too. They stack like magic, hold way more than round containers, and come with measurement markings so you always know what's inside. Plus, they're airtight, keeping food fresher for longer and preventing leaks or spills. Almost at the top, at number 2 is the iDesign Lannis Fridge Blends Soda Can Organizer with Shelf. Like the soda can dispenser we mentioned earlier, but better. This one has a built-in shelf on top, doubling your storage and making sure you always have space for more drinks. That extra shelf space is perfect for holding juice boxes, small condiment bottles, or anything else that tends to get lost in the fridge. And right on top, at number 1 is the Purico Stainless Steel Refrigerator Deodorizer. Okay, this isn't an organizer, but hear me out. What's the point of a neatly organized fridge if it smells like expired takeout? Unlike baking soda, this deodorizer lasts 10 years and actually eliminates odors instead of just absorbing them. Trust me, your future self will thank you. It's maintenance-free, chemical-free, and compact, so it won't take up any precious fridge space. See, the problem isn't just a messy fridge. It's the food you're wasting, the time you're losing, and the frustration of never finding what you need. Every time you throw out a spoiled avocado or knock over a drink, that's money down the drain. But with just a few of these organizers, everything changes. Imagine opening your fridge and seeing everything in its perfect place. Your drinks roll out smoothly, your produce stays fresher longer, and nothing, I repeat, nothing, falls on your feet. That's not a dream. That's just good fridge organization. And the best part, you don't need all of these. Just a few key pieces can transform your fridge completely. Pick the ones that fit your needs, try them out, and thank me later. Remember, all links are in the description below. So which one was your favorite? Are you Team Lazy Susan, or do you swear by stackable drawers? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know how you keep your fridge organized. Also, do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this one.